you. Hold on. Look, Mary's on the back of the bike. True story. We're going for breakfast. Yeah. So, waiting for some other friends of ours behind us. Yeah, I see that. He's got to look pretty. Yeah. Yeah. All good. Yeah. I appreciate it. That's good. Yeah.
That's not. You just get right in there, right? Oh, thank you.
Oh. You heard it? Oh.
Hold up.
Delicious.
Hold up. This is the Meg Ryan scene.
Yeah, I'll have what she's having.
I love that scene. Yeah.
get better at that. Okay, ready? What did you say?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
So we're at Atlanticade, and we're getting ice cream because ice cream is important. Well, Mary's getting ice cream. I got a slushie. Atlanticade, for those of you that have never been here, which we had never been, it's small. It's a small rally. Like it's really small. And you guys might be getting wind, so I apologize, but
It's wee.
it's
wee.
It's wee.
It's wee.
But the area is really pretty.
Yep.
Right, so that's kind of nice. And I remember that's kind of what we said, right? We're like, it doesn't really matter what the rally's like. We'll be at BEI and we can just go riding around or sightseeing or just hang out for the weekend or whatever.
Yep.
Our hotel is really nice. We got to meet some old friends that were here that also came, so that was cool. And there's ice cream. Yeah. So, and a cool, yeah. Is that what it's
And a
called?
cool little barn, yeah.
Yeah, it's a cool little barn. So we're going to, everybody's leaving tomorrow, Sunday. We're here till Monday, so we'll try to figure out what we're going to do tomorrow.
Probably ride somewhere.
Maybe. All right, there might be more video. I don't know.
You got a little fish.
We did.
Yeah.
So we're walking, and of course it started to rain because that's what happens. Yeah, rain. Yep. We're going to a, what is it?
Brewery tour and tasting.
Brewery tour and tasting. I don't drink, so
He's just doing the tour.
I don't know why I'm going to this. Nope.
You love me?
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. I just hope that it stops raining before we
Walk back?
have to walk back. Yeah. Standing here the whole time, yep. Standing here for the last half hour. Just waiting. How was your ride? Good?
It took me like past where we normally turn and up and around. So it's
Nice. Nice. Alright, so I have decided to leave a day early because there's really not much going on here, and everybody is left. So spent a little bit of time just relaxing around the room. It's close to noon, and Harley has friends coming to visit tonight, so we're gonna be able to pick them up at the airport, right? Friend, and so we're gonna pack up and take the bridge back, right? But it's hot today, so we've had a little bit of everything. Cool, rain, hot. Yeah.
I don't want to complain about the heat after, like our last big ride.
Right. So seems like it should be a nice day to venture home, just in case. Yes? Yeah. All right. We're gonna go. You'll see some footage of the bridge, possibly. All right. So we have comms now. Yay. Okay. Did you put gas in?
I did.
Okay, so I would figure that.
I was at 78.
So I'd be close to 100, so we should look for fuel once we get into that over 100 kilometers. Just at least for me, at least, because I did drive a couple of times back and forth into town. Okay. Oh yeah, sunglasses. Sunglasses are good. Alright, so, well, we're off, and we'll talk to you guys, I think, once we get to the bridge. I don't think the bridge is very far, is it, Mary? No? It's true, so it shouldn't be very far. So we'll stop there, because I think we have to. Okay, let's go. It's a hot one out today. It's a hot one. I'm glad we aren't necessarily wearing our jackets, because I think I'd be cooking. just pay for the two of us, I guess. Yep. What does that say? Self-pay. No, not. Oh, is it? Credit, credit and debit, yeah. Perfect. Credit and debit. But then I have to do, which is fine. I'll just do it twice, I guess. You sure? But maybe it... Oh, I wish I had my card, which I don't have. Hold on. Tap and go. Of course it is. 1 sec. Okay, hold on. It says proceed, which is awesome, but I'm not ready to proceed. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to get my zipper up. There we go. Okay, I'll wait for you on the other side of the green light. I don't know how it knows what I am, but it does. Alright, the big stop. Look at all the other bikes. Look at all the cars. Holy smokes. Alright, should we just park over here by the bikes? Okay. Seems like a good a spot as any. Welcome professional drivers. What? What's that? Is this actually bike spots? It is, motorcycle parking. That's cool. Yeah. Which is what I'm gonna do. That's kind of cool. Where are you there? Which way are you coming? Okay, well, I will turn as well, I guess. Here, I'm just gonna get I'll come on the other side of you. Alright, you ready? Hold on, let me get past you. That's fair. Is this our turn? Right here? Yeah. It comes up fast. Okay. So how long does your map say for us to get to the gas station? Oh, that's good. This is like that windy section of road, right? Look at all the windmills. Yeah, 110. Speed limit is 110. Now only 2 hours and 20 minutes, it says, all the way home. Yeah.